Hello friends, welcome to Joy of Life. So it's been a long time since I've done an unboxing. So today we are going to unboxing a ring light. It's by Tygot. It's a 10-inch portable LED ring light with three color modes and a dimmable light as well. It is used for mostly YouTube, photo shoot, video shoot, live stream, makeup and vlogging. And it's compatible with both iPhone and Android and as well as with your cameras as well. So this is a made in China product as you can see over here. So this is in a box and the box doesn't feel so good. The parts are feeling as if they're moving inside. On the back side, you can see that you have just a picture with a fragile logo as well, with up position should be kept in like this. Again, a fragile, do not step, and 26 centimeter. And this is the model number, I guess. And the MRP is shown, I hope you can see over here, it's shown as 1999, right? But I got it for 499 from Amazon. I'll share the link on the description as well. So let's open it. I'm not very satisfied with the way it is boxed, to be honest. It's not sealed, it's already opened as I see over here. Then as I open this, okay, so I have the stuff inside it. I can see the ring light in it. So let's get the light out. Okay, so let's see what all is there. So the light is there. It's a mobile holder, I guess. Yeah, it will be a mobile holder. Few other things are here as well. So let's just check what all is there and get rid of it. Yeah, there is a mount head and that's pretty much it. There is a card for cashback as well inside it. It's perhaps belongs to the owner. I could see a Tygot logo with promotional offer, 100 rupees cashback. Yeah, so let's get rid of all this for the time being and let's see how the product is. Okay, so here is the light. Okay. So the build feels good, not bad at all in quality. No loose parts, neither this part is trying to come out. There is a mount to it as well over here. This is where you can put your mobile if you wish to. I think this goes in here. Okay, so let's check the cord length and all as well. So let's just open this and see. Even I am new to it, even I don't know what are all these, but yeah, I know what this light is the main thing. And the wire is pretty long as you see over here. It's pretty long. It's like, yeah, good long enough. There is a controller as well over here. So we'll see how it goes. There is a on off button, there is a plus, there is a minus, there is a refresh kind of button. Okay, so let's plug it in. I have a USB port right on my keyboard. So let's plug it in and see how it looks. So here I have plugged it in, and as I plug it in, I can see the light over here. The quality doesn't feel good. The light is uneven as you see that it doesn't give you a very good experience in the first place. So let's switch it on. Okay, so let me put off the light. So here is the light. It's pretty bright. So just with the plus button, nothing is changing. Okay, it's in the max, so I'm just reducing it. As you can see, it can be dimmed to a great extent. And this is where you change the color. Now it's in a white color over here, as you see. This is the different color. So this is the color changing button. You have a white and a yellow kind of light, the pink kind of light. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it in terms of functionality over here. And once you turn the button off, it goes off. And there is a mobile holder. So here I have a mobile holder, which feels okay, but maybe a little tight for my mobile. So I have a OnePlus 8 over here. It's fit in pretty well. So how it goes is once you take off the screw behind this there is a screw. Once you take off this, you can put this inside, and once you put it, you can just lock it. So this is pretty much locked. The mobile won't come out from this anymore. Okay, so this is the mobile mount over here. As you can see here, this has a screw, and this can come off easily. So once this is out, let me take this piece out. I'll just show you how to fix this. So what you can do is you can put this behind this, so it gets locked now. So as you can see that this guy can move, right? So once you have put it inside, you can just put the cap back in so that it does not fall off. So this will secure it in its position, and then you can mount it over here in the light. So you can just mount it over here. Okay, so this is here now. So this can be moved. It's a little flexible. So you can put it like this, and then you can put the screw back. So yeah, it will look something like this. So you have your front facing camera or the back facing camera. You put it the way you want. And then once you start the recording, you can put the light on. So it will provide ample of light based on your needs. You can increase the light, and it will provide a lot of light, I guess, for um, close videos and all. You can see the light is pretty decent. Okay, and then you have this head as well over here. Okay, so let's take this off first. Though I don't see the mobile stand being that good. It's okay. It's okay. I'll say that's okay for the value for money. Uh, Mobile stand is not the primary purpose why I bought this. So you can see here it's the fitting is okay, I feel, but not that great. But so this is the next attachment is your tripod head kind of. So what you can do is you have a hole over here wherein you can plug this end. This end you have a ball head over here. You can easily adjust the light. So you can just move it and it will be loose and you'll be able to adjust it accordingly. So you can just loose the screw over here and you're good to go. And if you have a tripod, you can put the tripod on the other end. So let me get a tripod for you. So let me just try this on top of this. So it fits pretty easily on top of the tripod, and it's good. I'll say that it's not bad. It's pretty decent with the tripod. So as you can see over here, so I can just put this light anywhere with the tripod, and the mount is pretty easy as well. And it's the grip is also pretty firm. So yeah, overall, I don't know the life of it, how long it's going to last. Definitely, I'll be adding comments on top of the video to update how it is going and how good it is. So just for you quickly, I wanted to share the product as well over here. So this is the same product that we are reviewing over here. This was delivered to me this morning itself. And yeah, so it's a 10-inch portable LED light. It does not weigh much also, with three different color modes used for such and such purposes. So you get another variant with a 7-foot tripod, which costs 949, which I felt was not required for me. And yeah, I'll share the link as well, so you can check out the description. And so far so good. I'll say it's worth the money. It was not very expensive, and it was pretty much in my budget. The review also looks pretty decent. 57% of 5 star, 20% of 4 stars, 9%. So yeah, that's pretty much it from this video. And do like and subscribe and share with your friends as well. I'll be reviewing more things and doing unboxing as well. And thank you once again. See you guys. Bye bye.